meantime, get you a breaking update. What we are getting as the BJP, on the other hand, calling the proposed legislation as unconstitutional and accusing the Mamata government of doing a drama. BJP asserting that there is already a central law which exists with the same provisions that calls for a death penalty.
जी ड्रामाबाजी कर रहे हैं और गैलरी शो कर रहे हैं, इसलिए ये जो लेजिस्लेशन उन्होंने लाए हैं ये लेजिस्लेशन पूरी तरीके से असंवैधानिक है। ऑलरेडी नए संहिता के ऊपर नए संहिता है जो इम्प्लीमेंट भी हो चुका है और जिसमें डेथ सेंटेंस का भी प्रावधान है। तो ममता बनर्जी की ये जो उन्होंने लॉ लाए ये पूरी तरीके से ड्रामाबाजी है और इसको दिखाने के लिए हमारे विधायक लोगों ने समर्थन किया, लेकिन ये जाके सुप्रीम कोर्ट में चैलेंज होगा और सुप्रीम कोर्ट में चैलेंज होने के बाद ये कैंसिल।
ममता दीदी में संवेदना नहीं है। दीदी ने दबाव में बीभत्स घटना हुई है बेटी के साथ, उससे ध्यान भटकाने के लिए अब ये कानून लेकर आई है।
So even when it comes to the objections that have been raised by the BJP, the TMC has been hailing the passage of the anti-rape bill as a historic moment and appealing to the Bengal governor to give his assent.
असेंबली में इतिहास हो गया। आज देखिए पूरा देश में पहली बार ये बंगाल सरकार, ममता बनर्जी का सरकार एक बिल पास किया या रेप एंड मर्डर का कड़ी से कड़ी तक पूरा ये लाइफ सेंटेंस टिल डेथ एंड मृत्युदंड, इसका ऊपर बिल पास हो गया। गवर्नर साहब को अभी तुरंत ये बिल वो साइन कर देना चाहिए।
Let's in the meantime get you a quick reaction coming on part of the Union Minister Kiren Rijiju, who is hit out at the Mamata Sarkar as he is citing a 2021 letter saying that the central government has already enacted laws to deal with heinous crimes like rape, following which he's been asking that why this delay that has been taking place on part of, as far as the West Bengal government is concerned, on the need to bring about an anti-rape bill when there are central laws with the same provisions or similar provisions that already exist. Now, that is how the Union Minister too has been reacting. Remains to be seen as far as the possible political and legal hurdles that the bill may face when it comes to getting a final signature on part of the constitutional authority as well as it becomes a law. But before that, we are looking at already a lot of criticism and objections. Adrija, good morning. That is being raised by the opposition, in particular the BJP, taking up the question as to when there are central laws already that exist, what was the need to bring about an anti-rape bill in West Bengal Assembly? Adrija.
Well, absolutely. You see, several strict laws can be brought in, and definitely capital punishment is something that the students of the RG Kar Hospital has been demanding regarding this entire incident that has unfolded. From day one, this has been one of the demands, and of course now it only seems fair that the state government is coming and meeting these demands, but at the same time, this is just too little too late is what one can say, especially at a time like this when only the political slugfest coming out and blame games going on between political parties. And what the students here are also trying to say that, all of these games are going on, political parties are shift blaming each other, but justice that they are demanding for is being delayed. It has been several days and still what they say that they are continuing with their protest, but at the same time, no proper justice has been delivered.
All right. Remains to be seen exactly when it comes to the political and possible legal hurdles that this bill will face. However, it has been passed in that special session that was convened in the West Bengal Assembly. Thank you very much for the moment, Adrija, for joining in. That will also be